Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Study with Prabin sir. In this video, we are going to learn percentage part 10. In earlier parts, we discussed basic concepts, increase, decrease and some simple word problems. Today, we will solve advanced exam oriented percentage questions using short tricks. So watch till the end. Now type 16, question number 19. A man had rupees 1200 in his locker 2 years ago. In the first year, he deposited 10% of the amount in his locker. In the second year, he deposited 20% of the increased amount in his locker. Find the amount at present in his locker. Now, initially, the man had rupees 1200 in his locker. In the first year, he deposited 10% of the amount in his locker. That means here I have to write here, in the first year he deposited 10% of his initial amount. So 10% of 1200. So this is equal to 10 by 100 into 1200. So that is equal to, here zeros, cancel these two zeros, so 120. So after first year, here I have to write after first year total amount is equal to 1200 plus 120. So that is equal to 1320. Now in the second year, he deposited 20% of the increased amount. Here it is written 20% of the increased amount. Increased amount is 1320. So in the second year, he deposited 20% of increased amount. Here increased amount is 1320. So that is equal to 20 by 100 into 1320. So this is equal to, here I have to write here, now here this is equal to, that means here this 0 cancels this 0 and this 0 cancels this 0. So 2 into 132, so that is equal to 264. Then find the amount at present in his locker. That means here the total amount after second year, after second year total amount is equal to total amount is equal to 1320 plus 264. So after adding it is 1584. Here rupees. Here rupees total amount. That means your option A is the right answer. Now this question can be solved by using a formula also. Then what is that formula? Here. Now initially the man had rupees 1200. So I have to write here 1200 into, after first year the man's income is, as he deposited 10% of the amount, that means after first year the man had rupees 1200 into 110 divided by 100, because this is increased, that means he deposited 10% of the amount in the locker. That means he has more amount after first year. So that's why here it is 110 divided by 100. So this is the amount after first year. This is the amount after first year. Again, the amount after second year, that is equal to, because in the second year he deposited 20% of the increased amount. So here this is 120 divided by 100. Now how, from where this 110 comes and from where this 120 comes? Here this 110 comes from 100 plus 10, because in the first year it is increased by 10%, so it is 100 plus 10, and this 120 comes from this 20%, because after second year he deposited 20% of the increased amount. That means this is 100 plus 20. So then this is the amount after second year. So that means after solving it, and here this 20 cancel this 2 zeros, and this 0 cancel these zeros, again this 0 cancel these zeros. That means here after multiplication we are getting rupees 1584. That means here the option A is the right answer. So friends, today we solved important percentage questions for exams. If you understand these concepts, you can easily solve questions in SSC, banking, railway and state exams. So if you like the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Study with Prabin Sir. See you in the next part. Thank you.